Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video I'm going to be teaching you something very simple. I'm going to teach you how to create a duotone effect right here in the good old Photoshop. But before we get started, I'd like you to do me a little favor. Help me like this video, drop a comment, share this video to someone you know will need it, and of course subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Now let's get right into the video. So first thing, I'm going to create a new file. It's going to be 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels with a resolution of 72. I'll create. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to let me just make my background black, so solid color black, right? And I'm going to import the two images. The two images I'm going to use, I'm going to leave these images in the description box so you can download them and design along with me. Alright, so these are the two images. So this one on top, right, you double click on it. It will take you to layer style or blending option, or you can just right click and then you go to blending options. When you get here to blending options, you have to go to here channels. Where you're seeing channels, under advanced blending channels, you remove the G and remove the B and click OK. And you can see that it has turned to red completely. Let's hide it. Turn on the bottom layer, right click, go to blending options, and this time around we'll remove just the R. The last time we removed G and B, RGB, we removed the green and the blue, we left only the red. Now we are removing only the red, we are leaving the green and blue. Click on OK. Alright, so now let's unhide the top layer. So what we're going to do is we're just going to adjust a bit. Let's adjust a bit. And that is pretty much how you create your duotone effect. You can see it's very simple, very straightforward, and just be creative with it. Try a bunch of images, try different things, but this is the basic concept, and I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching. Like, of course, help me drop a like if you learned something new, and drop a comment, tell me what video you want me to create next, and subscribe so that you can see more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice one.